learn English, okay, up to you. You can learn something else. Let's say, you know, people are not perfect, right? Everybody know about that. Maybe he good in English, but he not good in Arabic, or he good in Arabic, but he not good in English. So they can make, they can work together. Maybe they make a course, maybe what is it? Yayan. Yayan. What is it? Yoga. Yayan and yoga course.
Masya Allah.
English and Arabic, English and Arabic course. So they make business. But one thing for sure, you have to have something, so that make you worse. So another example, Mr. Musafir is good in Esperanto language. Mr.
Idiom. Fahmi.
Fahmi is good in laptop. So maybe
In laptop. Idiom.
maybe for example, so they can make one business. Let's say Mr. Fahmi not good in English, not good in Esperanto, so he can
Master idiom.
teach people about the laptop, how to use laptop, how to
Masya
repair
Allah.
laptop. But Musafir, he will help with the language. Oh, this is like this. So Musafir become the translator. So they make business.
Masya Allah.
This can happen when people cannot speak English. You just say, if you learn English, at least you can get these three things. For example, first, you can communicate with more people. If you just speak, let's say your language, Achenese, how many person in this world can speak Achenese? Maybe not too many. Only Achenese can speak Achenese. Some Achenese even can speak Achenese, right? So if you can speak English, how many countries that their official language is English? So you can see by yourself that there is one advantage. You can communicate with more people. You can speak English, you can communicate with more people. Second, if you can speak English, many people say that it's easier for you to get a job. Is it true? Let's see when you want to apply for a job. It is written there. One of the requirements can speak English. Passive